Hi guys! So today we are going to be doing some more beginner nail art, and I'm going to be going over how I do basic gel polish marbling. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to start out by patchworking all the colors that I've already used in the rest of the manicure, just placing them in different portions of the nail. I've used 4 colors in total, so I'm just going to put them in blobs wherever I feel like. Next, I'm gonna go in with a really tiny detailing brush, and I'm gonna start by just taking the pools of the different colors and getting nice and tight into the cuticles. This will kind of start your marbling for you and also give you a nice border to work with once you start bringing the color inward. So one of the colors, the blue one in this set specifically, is runnier than the others, and it did start to pool in the sidewall. If this happens, just use it to your advantage and use it to kind of help drag the color in the middle, and then you can clean up any excess afterwards. And now for the fun part, actually getting your designs in. So you're pretty much all you have to do is start dragging your colors through the middle, making sure any blank nail spaces are filled in, and there you go, you got your marbling. Just move it around the way you want to. Top coat those babies and you are finito, my friend.